In the year 2014, there was so much of momentum among most reputed and popular yoga teachers of the country and abroad as well. And they submitted the memorandum to the then Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, to influence the United Nations General Assembly and make a draft resolution to announce 21st June as the International Yoga Day, to promote the concept of yoga. And because yoga is not related to any religion, and there is no discussion on any past life, previous life, whatever lives, it is only about present life, health, and happiness. So they all requested Narendra Modi ji to make a draft resolution and see that it gets implemented. So in September, the proposal was made by Narendra Modi ji to the United Nations, 2014. And in the next month, October 2014, the then Ambassador of India to United Nations, Shri Ashok ji, has submitted the draft resolution to the respected members of United Nations General Assembly. And in December 2014, it came for poll, and almost 177 countries representatives, the heads of the nations, have voted in favor of announcement of 21st June as International Yoga Day. In the history of United Nations, this is the first time when the member nations have voted in such a magnanimous way, and very quickly a draft resolution was passed down, and United Nations thus declared 21st June, the summer solstice, as the day of yoga, and it has thus become the International Yoga Day since then. In the history of United Nations, this is the quickest, fastest day which was announced by United Nations, and the member countries responding to it in such a great majority. That is one historical achievement by Shri Narendra Modi ji. And since then, from 2015, this year 2020, every year 21st June, we are celebrating International Yoga Day across almost all countries of the world. 2015 was the first International Yoga Day, and this year is the 6th International Yoga Day. Because of Corona time, we are all meeting like this across the digital space. The theme of this year International Yoga Day is do yoga at home and stay with your family. That is this year's theme. Last year it was declared by Narendra Modi ji to have yoga for heart. So during the draft resolution, it was the first and only Hindu country of the world. Nepal is the first country to support Narendra Modi ji by Mr. Koirala. And later, the charm, the charisma and glamour of Narendra Modi ji influenced all the member nations to vote for the International Yoga Day. And even the Christian popes and so many religious leaders across the world supported him in a very big way, because it is nowhere related to any religion. And even the fundamentalistic religious elements across the world also supported, except for the Om sound, because they thought that it is truly Hinduistic in nature. And even for Surya Namaskaras, there was some questions rising, like Surya is a god of Hindus, so we can't take Surya and Om into consideration. Rest of the part we take it, okay, it's okay, doesn't matter at all. So whatsoever it may be the reasons and their belief systems, it is thus official to have 21st June as International Yoga Day. Thus we are here to celebrate this and be a part of this summit. Thank you very much.